Hello there, learners! Welcome to another episode of our Math Time series in Grade 10 Mathematics. Join me as we explore the world of numbers full of fun and excitement. I am your teacher Jane, your number buddy in today's video lesson. Before we start, let me remind you to stay focused, watch and listen attentively into this video lesson. Is your self-learning module ready? How about your pen and paper? Great! Let's now begin a fun and enjoyable lesson. So let us be guided by the most essential learning competency for this lesson. The learner solve problems involving probability. Before we start, I have a story to tell. I have a friend who is in need of our help. Can we help him?
On a Sunday morning, Juan woke up late and suddenly remembered that he needs to attend a party. He opened his cabinet and he is left with only 2 pants and 3 shirts. In how many ways can he choose an outfit?
Now class, what do you think would be his OOTD? Well, to help one choose his OOTD for the party, let us learn how to solve problems involving probability. In mathematics, we deal with things that happen the same way and always certain. Like, if we add 1 plus 1, we always get 2. Or if we multiply 5 times 2, we always get an answer of 10. There is no uncertainty at all. In real world, many things can be predicted with total certainty. For example, if you roll a dice, you are not sure what number will you get, or if you toss a coin, you cannot predict if you get a head or tail. But we know few things about it, like rolling a die, we can only have numbers from 1 to 6, and if we toss a coin, we have only a head or a tail. All of these are examples of probability. Probability is simply how something is to happen. In this video, you will learn how to solve problems that involves probability. To solve word problems, let us be guided by the following steps. 1. Read and understand the problem carefully. 2. Determine what are the given and what is being asked in the problem. And 3. Solve the problem and simplify answers. So, let us find out the probability of an event to happen through example number 1. A student is chosen from a certain group. There are 9 girls and 8 boys in that group. What is the probability that the chosen student is a boy?
In this problem, we can use the formula in finding the probability of simple events, which is probability of event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes, which is getting a boy, in the group is 8, while the number of possible outcomes would be 17. They are the total members of the group. So, the probability of having a boy in a group is equal to 8 over 17.
Let us now proceed to example number 2. Ren likes to wear colored shirts. He has 15 shirts in the closet. 5 of these are blue, 4 are in different shades of red, and the rest are of different colors. What is the probability that she will wear blue or a red shirt?
In this problem, we can say that the event of getting a blue shirt and the event of getting a red shirt cannot occur at the same time. These events are called mutually exclusive events. To find the probability of mutually exclusive events, we will find the sum of their probabilities. In symbols, probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. Here, we will find the probability of having a blue shirt or having a red shirt. That is equal to the probability of having blue plus probability of having red shirt. There is a total of 15 shirts, and from these shirts, there are 5 blue shirts and 4 red shirts. So we have 5 over 15 plus 4 over 15 is equal to 9 over 15 or 3 over 5.
With that, let us now help Juan in choosing his OOTD for the party. Juan is only left with 2 pants and 3 shirts. How many outfits he can wear? So it could be a polo shirt and maong pants, or a 3/4 sleeves and maong pants, or a long sleeves and maong pants, or a polo shirt and slacks, or a 3/4 sleeves and slacks, or a long sleeve and slacks. Now class, how many different outfits can one choose for the party? Yes, you are right. There are 6 outfits one can wear as his OOTD. Great job! Now, let us have an activity. A restaurant serves a bowl of candies to their customers. The bowl of candies Gab receives has 10 chocolate candies, 8 coffee candies, and 12 caramel candies. After Gab chooses a candy, he eats it. Find the probability of getting candies with the indicated flavors. Letter A, probability of having a chocolate or coffee candy, and letter B, find the probability of having a coffee or caramel candy.
In total, there are 30 candies in the bowl. To find the probability of events in A and B, here is the solutions. Since the events cannot occur at the same time, they are called mutually exclusive events. So in letter A, we will find the probability of having a chocolate or coffee candy. So the probability of chocolate plus the probability of having coffee candy. There are 10 chocolate candies and there are also 8 coffee candies in the bowl. So to find the probability, we have 10 over 30 plus 8 over 30. That is equal to 18 over 30 or 3 over 5. In letter B, so there are still 30 candies in the bowl. We will find the probability of having a coffee or caramel candy. So that is equal to probability of having a coffee plus probability of having a caramel candy. So that is equal to 8 over 30 plus 12 over 30. In total, we have 20 over 30 or simplifying further, we have 2 over 3. So 2/3 is the probability of having a coffee or caramel candy.
Did you get the correct answers? Great! With that, I hope you learned something in that activity. To sum up, what are the steps in solving problems that involves probability?
Very good, grade 10 learners. You did a great job. Now, it's your turn. Prepare your pen and paper for your solutions. Are you ready? You may now start. For your assignment, find the probability of the given problem.
Congratulations, grade 10 learners, for a job well done. I hope you've learned a lot from this video lesson. See you next time in another episode of Exploring the Fun World of Numbers. This is your teacher Jane. Thank you and have a great day ahead.